20th of Jan, AI hype has risen to the top. DeepSeek, a Chinese company, has shaken the stock market, ripping off over 1 trillion of the stock market cap for big companies like FANG. It was said that $5.5 billion was invested, and the reason why it's very good is because of three main reasons, which is of the AIME reasoning benchmark, strong reasoning, and saving cost. But what is AIME? AIME is basically a benchmark that measures math and reasoning capability. And the DeepSeek model has topped OpenAI's O1 model. But what can a strong reasoning model do? An example, OpenAI has released a project called Operator in the US only. This allows users to type in what they want, the goal, and the AI will be the core of the logic and it will decide what tools or what to do in order to achieve that goal, making what you can accomplish much more with AI. Additionally, you can see the price for input token in DeepSeek is less than $1, whereas the price for OpenAI O1 reasoning model is around 15-ish for input tokens, which is around like 38 times cheaper binding input and output. And more than that, it's also open source model that is publicly available on Hugging Face. If you drill down further, you can see the DeepSeek models is trained on around 700 billion parameters, which cost a ton of GPU to host. That is why they have distilled versions, and distillation basically means using a larger model to train a smaller model on open source model like Llama or Qwen. So they have different sizes of models for organizations to use with different varying sizes of GPUs. And furthermore, open source community has created GGUF version or the quantized version, allowing you to host the model on your laptop. But careful, because smaller size models requiring less GPU means the performance may not be as good as the larger size model. 4 ways to quickly get started with DeepSeek is go to chat.deepseek.com. That's on the website, and you can also use mobile phone, and there's an app called DeepSeek, which is the top of the app store now, that you can install and use it right away. Another way is you can use DeepSeek via API, using API keys and chat with it. Lastly, you can self-host the models, either for your organization or your own use.